Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare how to make pancakes versus hotcakes. Let's dive into the subtle differences that make each unique. While both are delicious breakfast staples, their textures and preparation methods vary slightly. Understanding these distinctions will help you achieve your desired breakfast experience. We'll explore the key ingredients and techniques for both. To make classic pancakes, aim for a batter with a consistency that pours easily. This allows them to spread thinly on your hot griddle, creating those signature delicate edges. Cook them at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping once you see bubbles forming across the surface. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side, resulting in a golden brown finish. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings. For hotcakes, you'll want a noticeably thicker batter which contributes to their signature fluffy texture. Don't be afraid if it seems a bit dense. That's exactly what you're aiming for. Cook these at a slightly lower temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure they cook through without burning. They'll need a bit more time, typically 3 to 4 minutes per side, to achieve that perfect golden brown exterior. Enjoy your fluffy hotcakes. Ultimately, deciding between pancakes and hotcakes comes down to personal preference. If you enjoy a lighter, more delicate breakfast that readily absorbs syrup, pancakes are your go-to. However, if you crave a substantial, fluffy, and satisfying bite, hotcakes will surely hit the spot. Both are fantastic options for a delicious start to your day. Remember to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.